Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use heylemon AI on your PC or laptop. So let's get to it. It's going to be a Wispr Flow AI alternative, which will allow you to turn your speech into polished emails, docs, and more with a simple push of a button. So all you need to do is just go over to heylemon.ai, or you can go over to the description. There's a link in the description. You can go through that. And it's going to help me out with a small commission. Now, right over here, it's going to automatically detect your operating system. So let's just press on this download for Windows, and then you'll get this setup.exe. You can press on it to install it. If you click on it and it does not start up the download process, you can click on this right here, not working, click here to download again, and it's going to show you this right here. So it's going to show you something like this. On it, you can press on the sign up button, then you can fill in the details, click on this create account, and it's going to give you this, your lemon verification code. Let's copy it from here and paste it, and then press on continue. Now it's going to say start setup. Let's press on the start setup. Which apps do you use the most? I'm going to select ChatGPT, Claude, and Gmail. Let's press on continue. Which of these tasks do you perform regularly? Let's press on this using ChatGPT or Claude, replying to messages, text messages. Press on continue. You can select anything you like. It doesn't matter. We value your privacy. Access can be turned off anytime. Lemon doesn't take actions without permission. You decide what to do next. Okay, let's press on this. Got it. Now you can speak to your microphone, and you can see that these bars on the right hand side do respond to my speech. Now I can change microphone from here. If you do not get these bars right here while you're speaking, that means it's currently not set correctly. The microphone is not set correctly. So you can select from here and see which one responds to your voice. Then let's press on the continue button. Now it's going to ask you to press and hold the Ctrl+Shift on your keyboard to test it out. So let's press on Ctrl+Shift, and you can see both of these turned lemon yellow. That means it's working. And whenever I let go and push it, the keys together, it works. And if you want to change the shortcut, you can do it from here. Just select another one of these two keys, like Ctrl+Z, and then this is going to work. So let's press on Ctrl+Shift again. And yeah, let's press on continue. When you press the Ctrl+Shift key, Lemon will activate and listen to your instructions. All right, let's press on Ctrl+Shift. Hello, Lemon. Okay, let's press on got it from here. Okay, hello, Solvebase. I'm ready to help. How can I assist you today? Okay, great. Now, chat with Claude. Get answers instantly. So you can click on this right here, message Claude. So it's just going to give you examples of what you could do. So let's say you want to message Claude. You can just press on Ctrl+Shift, write a prompt to explain machine learning, and then let go of your keys and watch Lemon write. There you go. So I just asked it, write a prompt to explain machine learning. It also expanded on my speech. It expanded it, and it gave all of this in text, put it over there. So yeah, let's press on got it. Ask any question anywhere. Let's say you're on a website and you found a graphic. You want the AI to explain it to you. So you can use the Lemon AI, and the Lemon AI is going to explain you this graphic. So let's just press on the Ctrl+Shift. Explain this to me, and then let go of your keys, and it's going to give you the answer. Monthly budget breakdown. You can see it right here. You can scroll down, give you the citations as well. Now, this kind of looks like MacBook or Mac OS notch style, right? Notch design. It's pretty cool. So you can copy whatever it has written over here. You can copy it by pressing on this on the top right. You can click on it, and it's going to be copied to your clipboard. You can do that. Press on got it. Now it's going to say search and write instantly. So we can press on the Ctrl+Shift and say this thing. Create a workout plan to increase my stamina, and then let go of the keys. What this is going to do is research on the internet, and based on all of that, it's going to give you this. I've created a comprehensive stamina building workout plan in your Google Doc. Okay, so let's say you are on Google Doc and you want to create a stamina workout plan. You can just ask the Lemon AI. It's going to do it for you, and then it's going to paste it in the Google Docs right here. All the text is here. You can scroll down, take a look at all of this. Now let's press on got it. It's going to set things up. Okay. So the thing we asked before, the hello lemon, the text that it gave us, it's going to be here. This is your activity history. So you can see this right here. You can copy it. If you hover, you can copy it from here, the button. And if you want to clear your activity history, you can just press on this clear button, clear all. Now on the left hand side, you've got the shortcuts. So press Ctrl plus Shift for assistance, Ctrl plus Shift, and this is your assistant on the top. So this is just going to help you out in different things. And it's also going to put it over here in your activity history. Whatever it has wrote over here, it's going to put it on the bottom as well. And if you press on Ctrl plus Windows, it's going to be dictation. It's going to go into dictation mode. Yeah, so assistance is basically AI assistant. It's going to answer questions for you. And for dictation, it's going to be whatever you are speaking. It's going to paste that in a text format, like here, speech to text. So yeah, this is what it is. And on the left hand side, on the top left, you can see personalization. You can select your roles. For example, I can say founder, creator, and maybe designer. So it's going to personalize based on your profile. Touch. You can also go over to custom instructions, dictionary, your personal spelling rules. You can like customize your first word, add word from here and such. There's snippets as well. So you can add a snippet. Maybe if you say add my email and you want to change that email to your email, actual email, you can do that. So let's say email, and the actual value would be info@solvebase.co, and then press on add snippet. So what's going to happen is, let's say I press on Ctrl plus Windows, add my email, and then let go of the keys. There you go. Add my, and then it actually put the email right there. So this is really nice. And that's the use case for snippets. Now you can go to settings and you can change the keyboard shortcuts here for dictation and for assistance. And the speech recognition language, you can change it from here if you want to do it. And you can also auto detect it. If you do not want the Hey Lemon to launch at startup automatically, you can just disable this from here, so it's not going to start up. When you start up your computer, keep in system tray, you can enable this, and it's going to be right here in system tray. Preserve clipboard, you can do that. Microphone, change your microphone from here. And if you want to sign out, you can do this from here. There's permissions, you can see this. And yeah, that is it. Now, let's say I want to use it on Gmail. So I can go over here and then go over to Gmail, compose. Now, right here, I can type in with Lemon AI. So I can do Ctrl plus Windows key. Hey, add my email, and then let go of your keys. Okay, you can see, hey, add my, and then it actually entered in the email. So I can just select add my over here. This is my email. Let go of the keys, and there you go. This is how it works. And you can use this dictation tool anywhere. So it could be in Notes, in Gmail, or in Claude, ChatGPT, anywhere. So yeah, it's really nice. And I think it's really a good alternative to Wispr Flow AI. I've made a video on how to use Wispr Flow AI as well, so you can check it out. I'll be making a video on how to use this Wispr Flow AI and Hey Lemon AI on MacBook Neo later, so you can check that out too. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Hey Lemon AI or Wispr Flow AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.